Whether your pregnancy is meticulously planned, medically coaxed, or happened by surprise, one thing is certain: your life will never be the same. Dahil may mga new sets of priorities, responsibilities, and obligation na kailangan i-fulfill. Hindi lang dahil sa kailangan, pero dahil it's our choice. God is so good to grant us a request to have kids. Request that others always longed for, but still has to wait. So love your kids more than you love yourself, and they will return it to you abundantly. Ika nga, love unconditionally. Totoo yan. A mother's love is unconditional. Knows